Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this series of videos, we'll be discussing about CAT exam in detail. What is the eligibility criteria for writing CAT examination and what is the syllabus for it, what is the examination pattern, and is it tough to crack CAT examination, and what should we do to get 99 percentile or 100 percentile. We will be discussing all those things in detail. But before that, CAT examination and some of the other entrance exams that we are going to discuss in this series of videos will give you an admission to an MBA college. Why there is so much demand for an MBA? Because it imparts a very good skill set to the candidates. It gives you 360-degree view of business. What I mean by that is, suppose if you take a candidate without MBA, probably he or she may be very good at marketing, or maybe good at finance, maybe good at operations or supply chain management, but they will be specialized in only in their area. But an MBA graduate will have an understanding of all these areas. They will be trained about finance. They will be given inputs about marketing, you know, management things, operations. They will get this 360-degree view of business. That is the reason there is so much demand for MBA course. Even there is so much demand for MBA graduates from the industry. You have wide range of career choices. MBA is one course, that doesn't limit you to one particular sector. An MBA graduate can get into any of those sectors, any of those industries, because the person who has done MBA has, as I said, has 360-degree view of business and accelerated career progression. Normally, an MBA graduate, first of all, when he or she enters the industry, they will be entering at not normally always at the entry level, they will be entering at middle level management or so. So the career progression will be very fast. And MBA also trains people to develop entrepreneurial skills. Most of the MBA colleges have entrepreneurial cells. They encourage candidates to be entrepreneurs. And MBA is one course. It's like all weather course. It's like whenever you have downturn in the economy, but MBA gives you that assured career or job opportunities there. I can tell you, I've seen three major downturns in economy in the last 25 years. I've been taking classes for CAT and other entrances for the last 25 years. I've seen three major downturns. The first one is the dot-com bubble burst or 9/11 Twin Towers blast. Post that, lot of dot-com companies went burst, and a lot of candidates, especially the software guys, they lost jobs. But the candidates with MBA, I think still they could get very good placements. And the major thing in this 21st century is the subprime crisis that shook the world in 2007, and post 2007, that economic recession and all that, lot of institutions have gone bankrupt. Some of those institutions like Lehman Brothers and all these, they become extinct. They are no more. A lot of banks collapsed. So there was so much turmoil all over the world in finance. But yes, MBA candidates still good get some good opportunities there. And the present scenario that we talk about, COVID pandemic, where there's so much uncertainty, but still MBA colleges could place their candidates with good salary packages. And this is one course that gives you very high pay package. It's a very good compensation that an MBA graduate gets when he gets into a job. So then what is the average salary packages? In the next part, we'll be discussing about the average salaries that some of those last year batches have got placed.